Hey there, science fans! Get ready for a wild ride through your very own food factory, your digestive system. Did you know that in a whole lifetime a person might eat over 28,000 kilograms of food? That's heavier than a giant truck. From pizza to pineapples, tacos to tofu, our bodies are designed to break down all sorts of yummy stuff. It's like a super cool machine transforming food into energy and nutrients that keep us going strong. But how does it all work? Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to dive into the amazing world of digestion. Imagine you're building a magnificent Lego castle. You need energy to put all those bricks together, right? Well, our bodies are kinda like that. We need energy to run, jump, play, learn, and even sleep. But where does that energy come from? You guessed it, food. However, our bodies can't use food in its original form. That's where the digestive system swoops in like a superhero. It breaks down food into tiny little pieces, like puzzle pieces that our bodies can absorb and use as fuel. Pretty neat, huh? Now let's meet the incredible team of organs that make up our digestive system. Each one has a unique job, and together they form a super squad that keeps us healthy and energized every single day. Imagine them as a group of friends, each with their own special talents, working together to turn the food you eat into the fuel your body needs. First up, we have the gastrointestinal or GI tract. Think of it as a long winding tube that acts like a giant food processor, moving and transforming your meals step by step. This amazing tube is where the magic of digestion begins and ends, making sure every bite you take is put to good use. The journey starts at your mouth, where food enters and continues all the way down to your, the very end. Along this path, your food is chewed, squeezed, and mixed, getting ready for the next stage at every stop. Along the way, the GI tract includes some important stops. Your esophagus, which acts like a slide for food, your stomach, which churns and breaks things down, your small intestine, where most nutrients are absorbed, and your large intestine, which handles the leftovers and gets rid of waste. But wait, there's more. We also have some superstar helpers called accessory organs. These include the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. They might not be part of the main tube, but they play crucial roles by adding their own special ingredients to the mix. They're like the sous chefs of digestion, producing special juices and enzymes that help break down food even further. Without their help, your body wouldn't be able to get all the nutrients it needs from your meals. And let's not forget the unsung heroes: enzymes, hormones, nerves, and blood vessels. These tiny helpers work behind the scenes, sending signals, carrying nutrients, and making sure everything happens at just the right time. Together, all these organs and helpers form an amazing team, working in perfect harmony to keep your digestive system running smoothly. So next time you eat, remember to thank your hard-working digestive squad for all they do. Okay, picture this. You're about to chomp into a delicious slice of watermelon. Your mouth starts watering even before the watermelon touches your tongue. That's your saliva getting ready for action. Saliva contains special chemicals called enzymes that start breaking down food right away. Your teeth get in on the action too, grinding and mashing the watermelon into smaller pieces. Once you swallow, the watermelon, now a mushy ball called a bolus, travels down your esophagus, a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. Think of it like a slide at the playground, whooshing the food down to its next destination. The bolus's next stop is the stomach, a J-shaped organ that acts like a powerful mixer. This muscular sac sits just below your ribcage and is much more than just a storage pouch. It's where the real breakdown of food begins. As soon as the bolus arrives, the stomach's walls start to contract and relax, churning the food around in all directions. Here it gets churned and mixed with strong acids and enzymes, breaking down the watermelon even further. These gastric juices are so powerful, they can dissolve almost anything you eat, turning solid food into a soupy mixture. The stomach's lining protects it from these harsh chemicals, so it doesn't digest itself. It's kind of like a washing machine for food. The constant swirling and mixing ensure that every bit of food is exposed to the digestive juices, making the process super efficient. Meanwhile, the liver is busy producing bile, a special juice that helps digest fats. Bile travels to the gallbladder, where it's stored until needed. When you eat, bile is released into the small intestine to help break down fatty foods into smaller droplets, making them easier to digest. Next, the partially digested watermelon, now a creamy liquid called chyme, moves into the small intestine. This transition is carefully controlled by a muscular valve called the pyloric sphincter, which opens just enough to let small amounts of chyme pass through at a time. Don't let the name fool you though. The small intestine is only small in diameter, not in length. The small intestine is actually the longest part of the digestive system, about 20 feet long. It's tightly coiled inside your abdomen, giving it plenty of surface area to absorb nutrients. Here, the chyme is mixed with more digestive juices from the pancreas and gallbladder. The pancreas releases enzymes that break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, while the gallbladder sends in bile to help with fat digestion. Tiny finger-like projections called villi line the walls of the small intestine, absorbing nutrients from the chyme and sending them into the bloodstream. These villi are covered in even smaller microvilli, creating a massive surface area for absorption and ensuring your body gets all the nutrients it needs from your food. By now, most of the nutrients from the watermelon have been absorbed by your small intestine. This is where your body grabs all the good stuff, vitamins, minerals, and energy, that it needs to keep you healthy and active. What's left behind is mostly fiber, along with some water and waste products that your body can't use. Fiber is important because it helps keep your digestive system moving smoothly, even though your body can't actually digest it. This leftover material now travels into the large intestine, which acts like a recycling center. Here, your body absorbs most of the remaining water, making sure you don't lose too much fluid. This process also helps to form the waste into a more solid shape. The remaining waste is gradually compacted into stool. The large intestine squeezes out extra water and the waste gets packed together. This stool is then stored in the rectum, patiently waiting until your body is ready to get rid of it. Finally, when the time is right, the stool is eliminated from the body through the anus. This is your body's way of saying goodbye to everything it doesn't need. And there you have it. The incredible journey of food through your digestive system. From the very first bite to the final exit, your body works hard to get the most out of every meal. From your mouth to your, it's a fascinating process that happens every single day, whether you're eating a slice of watermelon or your favorite snack. So next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the amazing work your digestive system is doing behind the scenes. It's a team effort involving many organs, all working together to keep you feeling your best. Keep those questions coming, science fans, and remember to always learn from trusted sources. Curiosity is the first step to understanding the wonders inside your own body.